Okay, so this is going to be your a portion of your half test review. It's review of simplifying radicals. This is number 1, so it's a separate worksheet that's posted on the website there. Okay, so what we're going to do is I'm just going to take you through simplifying each of these. Okay, and so what we're going to see here, the first thing I would do here is recognize that there's one term here and a second term there. And across those two terms, it looks like there's a common factor of 5 that can be removed. So I'm going to get 2 plus 3 root 5 in the numerator divided by 5. And then the 5's can drop out, and we're going to be left with 2 plus 3 root 5, which should be the answer at the bottom. Okay, for this question here, the root 8 can be simplified. 6 plus root 4 times root 2 divided by 2. And then what we're going to see is 6 plus 2 root 2 over 2. And then again, we can remove that common factor of 2 out of the numerator. So we're going to write it out front, and I'm going to be left with 3 plus root 2 over 2. 2's drop out. We're left with just 3 plus root 2. Okay, and hopefully this question here looks a little bit familiar. This was a formative question, but just again, what we're going to do is in the numerator, there's nothing to be done yet in terms of a common factor. I can't quite do that yet, but what I can do is simplify that root 50. So I'm going to write negative 10 minus root 50 can be simplified into root 25 times root 2 over 5. And then so I'm just going to square root 25. I get negative 10 minus 5 root 2 over 5. And then I can remove that negative 5 from the numerator. I'm going to be left with 2 minus root 2 over 5. 5's drop out. We're left with negative 2, in brackets, minus root 2. Okay, so that's that.